In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a UK non-resident business bank account, Revolut. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut Business. On the official site, select Create Account. When the form appears, choose the country where your company is registered. Because we're setting up a UK non-resident business account, make sure you pick your actual registration country outside the UK, then press Continue. Next, select your legal business type like limited company, sole trader, or partnership, and continue. Enter an email address you can access right now and hit continue. Head to your inbox and approve the login request from Revolut to confirm that email. You'll then be asked for a phone number. Choose the correct country code first so SMS messages arrive without issues. Enter your number and continue. When the one-time verification code arrives, type it in. Create a strong password you'll remember and continue. Provide your date of birth exactly as shown on your ID, then continue. Add your residential address, use your current verifiable address, and continue. Search for your business's legal name in the field provided and continue. You'll now enter core business details, including the full legal name, your official registration or company number, and the date of incorporation. If your jurisdiction doesn't use a company's house number, enter the equivalent registry number issued in your country. Continue to the address screen and fill in the business address, city, and postcode as they appear on your registration or proof of address. Then continue. It's time to verify your identity. Click Continue to begin. Choose the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport or national ID, and follow the on-screen guidance. When prompted, click Start Record Video to complete the quick liveness check. Make sure you're in a well-lit space. Remove hats or glasses if asked, and hold your document steady within the frame. If something doesn't scan the first time, take a moment, adjust the lighting, and try again rather than submitting an unclear image. Once the verification is complete, your application will be reviewed. As soon as you're approved, you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard. From there, you can explore your account details, add team members, and set up payments. That's the entire process from search to sign in. If any field doesn't match your official documents, go back and correct it before submitting. Accurate information helps prevent delays. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application.